Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video, I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Moto G77. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Open setting, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, click on Do Not Disturb. And if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, then click on Turn Off Now. After click on Turn Off Now, Do Not Disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, allow notification. Again open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps, select app that you want to allow notification. After selecting app, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings. Again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.